Over the past couple of days, I think it was yesterday, we were talking about Elder Pharma and the fact that it's gone into an agreement with Japan's Polar Chemical, where it intends to sell Polar's skincare and cosmetic products in India. Let's speak to the management now. Anuj Saxena joins us. Mr. Saxena, many thanks for joining us. Can you give us some details in terms of, the kind of revenue contribution you're expecting as far as this Polar deal is concerned, and what all does it involve?
Well, firstly, I'd like to clarify that the deal is between Elder Healthcare and Polar, not Elder Pharma. Elder Healthcare is the FMCG part of the Elder Group, so that's one clarification there. Basically, the deal is an in-licensing agreement to market some of the products. We're starting with about 4 or 5 products in the whitening area, which is one of the fastest growing segments now in the Indian FMCG space. And we're launching about 5 SKUs now. The revenues expected from these 4 to 5 products in the next 3 years should be to the tune of 20 crores plus or more.
Okay, now are you planning to invest a fair bit on the distribution end? Because, skin whitening, just as a layperson, seems to be a fairly competitive area with a lot of the big FMCG players already there in that space.
Yeah, well, there are 2 ends to it. We already have a mass market product called Fair One in Elder Pharma, which is distributed through the mass markets. The Polar range of products are basically high-end, top-of-the-line, expensive products. So these will be displayed primarily at the key accounts and also kind of promoted through doctors and cosmetologists. So it's going to be expensive products which will not require mass marketing.
Okay, and Mr. Saxena, is it possible for you to share with us the kind of deal that you have as far as the margins are concerned? As you said, this is a very high-end product. In that sense, will it completely change the margin scenario as far as you are concerned, the company?
Definitely it would, because the products are expensive and there are good margins, definitely have a positive impact on our bottom line as well as the turnover. There's some reason of getting into the product range, besides the fact that they are very good.
Okay, now you've got into this deal with Polar, and as you reiterated, it's Elder Healthcare. Apologies for that mistake. But are you looking at more such tie-ups, and are there some more deals that you might be announcing in different segments?
Yes, I think the model that healthcare has been following till now has been to get in-licensed products. We already do work with, we license with Tiger Balm of Hapa, Singapore. We work with JFM of the US. We have a tie-up with VLCC for full deodorants. In the next, going forward, will be a combination of 2 or 3 such more licensing agreements, as well as developing our own range of products to take the company forward.
Okay, right. Many thanks. The management there speaking to us, Elder Healthcare, and the stock still up almost 20% in trade. So clearly market's very excited by that move and the company entering into the skin whitening range with its tie-up. Let's take a break at this point. You're watching Chart Busters. More stocks to talk about, even as the market holds on to those big up moves today. The Sensex up 200 points, back in a bit.